was fixing a drag. Grunts. Yeah, there's nothing. Hey, Tom, can I get a bucket? Thank you. Shit. Yeah. Nope. Just a grunt.
It's getting bigger. What you got there?
Probably a red grouper or giant. No, hey, do I need a net for this one?
Yeah,
do I need do I need a net?
Oh no.
I couldn't have pulled it up. Oh, I need a hog. I need a net this time for real.
Yeah, you need the net.
Yeah, it's gonna be short, probably.
Fair
It's
enough.
too short.
You sure?
I can measure him. I
Oh, I
do
think
this
it
for a
out.
living. I mean, I love when.
What is this? Oh, Porgy?
Porgy, yeah.
Do I need a net to this one?
No, bring him over. Bring him over.
There you go. Jolt head Porgy. Oh shit. Here, hold on. Almost done.
Porgy.
A group. I need a net for this one, Rob.
That's right.
Yeah.
Open your bail.
Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Thanks, man.
You're gonna be 3 mark.
Wow. Never caught one this big. I'm telling you, it's the tiniest shrimp I had on it too.
Elephants eat peanuts.
Can I hold it and take a picture of me?
I suggest you just
Make-
stand close.
Making you work for your tips here, you know?
Stand. You want to hold them?
Yeah. No, I don't want you in the picture.
I
No,
don't
I'm
want
kidding,
you
I'm
in the
kidding, I'm
picture.
kidding, I'm kidding.
You didn't want him to model?
Yeah, that's why I said just stay back from the edge of the water. All right, cool.
Thank you.
Lay him down, I'll grab him.
All right. Thanks a lot,
I'll
sir.
set that there. There's a soapy bucket over there. You can wash your hands.
I'm good. The slime's good luck.
Some big grunts out here.
There's some selection right here.
A lot of hogfish. Bring it up. Rob?
Is this a keeper, Rob? Probably not. No good?
No, short.
Oh, I can do it. This has some weight.
Porgies.
Wow.
That's a nice porgy.
Thank you. Oh, I got the tool. I want to use it.
Porgy.
I like the grunts better than the porgies. The porgies are soft and neat, and then they have pin bones.
This one's pretty big. Whatever it is. Unless I got somebody's line, but
No,
okay.
hopefully not.
Nope.
I got my line. Big one. There you go.
Sorry.
Catching with those.
That might be. Maybe.
Hibachi shrimp.
I don't know. This guy's on like 6 in a row on the base term.
That's definitely gotta be hot.
What you got, Calvin?
I have no idea yet.
It's like another
Grouper.
No, is it?
Yeah.
Grouper of some sort.
I'm here too. I'm
Wait,
on a
wait.
fish too.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh, we're crossing sticks.
Ready?
Nicely done.
There you go.
No way. Alright, hold on. Give it a sec. Give it a sec. Give it a sec. Carlos, don't fall.
Swim out down.
He's like, I'm coming down.
There we go.
There's another one coming up right behind it.
Yep.